Hello students, from the chapter Quadratic Equations, let's continue solving exercise 10.2 in this video. Third problem, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay, so two numbers when it is added, it gives 27 and when it is multiplied, we are getting 182. Okay, so one number, let us take it as x and the second number as 27 minus x. Why? Because the sum of the two numbers is 27. So one number is x means the other number will be 27 minus x. So when it is multiplied, we are getting 182. So that in terms of x we will write x into 27 minus x. So first number and this is second number. It is multiplied. It will give you 182. Now remove the bracket. So simply after simplifying we got 8x square minus 27x minus this in the RHS what we have that we are taking to the LHS. So we are getting minus 182 equal to 0. So next step we have to factorize. So split the middle terms. So after splitting the middle terms, so I have got minus 13x minus 14x. Okay. So take out common from the first two terms. So x is common. So after taking x inside the bracket, I am having x minus 13. And here 14 is common. So minus 14 is taken out. So inside the bracket, x minus 13 is there. So x minus 13 into x minus 14 are the two factors. So equate it to 0. So after equating, I am getting x is equal to 13 and x is equal to 14. So I'm getting x is equal to 13 and 14. Okay. So if the first number is 13, the second number will be 27 minus 13 equal to 14. And one more case, that is if x is equal to 14 means then the second number is going to be 13. Okay. So the two numbers are 13 and 14. That's our answer. Then fourth problem, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Okay. So two consecutive positive integers. So consecutive means the next number, adjacent numbers. Okay. So it is it's a square of sum of the squares is equal to 365. Okay. So first number we will take it as x and second number we will take it as x plus 1. Okay, why? Because integers. Integers means all positive numbers, no? So first number is x means the second number will be x plus 1. So according to the question, x square plus x plus 1 the whole square equal to 365. Okay, now simplify, remove the bracket and we got x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 365. This how I got means by the algebraic identity a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, by that identity I have expanded this square. Okay, so after simplifying I got 2x square plus 2x minus 364. This 365 when it comes to LHS in minus it will come. So already one is there. So I am getting 364. Okay. Then we have to still more it can be simplified by dividing the whole equation by 2. Okay. So after dividing by 2 I got x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. Now this equation can be factorized by splitting the middle term. Okay. So here also after splitting the middle term I got x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. Okay. So here in the first two terms x can be taken out as common. So inside the bracket I am having x plus 14 and here 13 can be taken out. So both are in minus. So minus 13 I am taking out. So inside the bracket I will get x plus 14. Okay, so x plus 14 is taken as common. So one more bracket is x minus 13. Okay, so these are the two factors. So equate it to 0. So x plus 14 equal to 0, x minus 13 equal to 0. So after taking the constant to the RHS, I got x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. Okay. So since the integers are positive, x can be 13 only. Okay. In the question itself it is given two positive integers. Okay. So that means minus 14 is not possible because it's in negative. So only 13 is possible. So x value is 13. So one number is 13 and one more number, that is x plus 1 is 13 plus 1 equal to 14. So 13 and 14 are the two consecutive positive integers. Okay. Next problem. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Okay. So hypotenuse is 13 centimeter and altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base. So let us take base as x. Okay. So in terms of x, we are going to find out altitude. Altitude is 7 centimeter less than x. So altitude is x minus 7 centimeter. Okay. So hypotenuse we already know. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. This is what the Pythagoras theorem says. So substitute in this formula. So after substituting, I got x square plus x minus 7 the whole square equal to 132. Sorry, that is not 132, it is 13 square. Corrected now. So now remove the bracket. Okay, so simplify. So we have to use a minus b the whole square formula. Okay, so a minus b the whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 7 square is 49 minus 2ab, that is 2 into 7 into x. So 14x we will get here. 13 square is 169. Okay. Now still more we can simplify. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0 we got. So we have to, we all are multiples of 2. So we can divide the whole equation by 2. So after dividing by 2, I got x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now we can factorize this equation by splitting the middle term. So the middle term is split into minus 12x plus 5x. Okay. So take x as common outside. So x into x minus 12 and here 5 is common. So plus 5 here inside the bracket x minus 12. So x minus 12 into x plus 5 equal to 0. So equate it to 0 each term. So I got x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. Okay, since the sides cannot be negative. Okay, well, what we are solving for the right triangle, no? So any length cannot be in negative. So minus 5 is not possible. So the length have to be 12 only. So the base is 12 and altitude is 12 minus 7 equal to 5 centimeter. That's a required answer. Sixth problem, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It is observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and cost of each article. Okay. So this is very similar to that toy problem only. So similarly we can take now. So number of articles produced, we are going to take it as x. Okay. Then cost of production of each article. So each article what they have given, cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Okay. So 2 times x plus 3. Okay, 3 more means plus 3. So 2x plus 3. That is the cost of one article. Okay. So the total cost production is rupees 90. That is totally the full day production cost is rupees 90. So full production cost, how to find out? So this is the number of product and this is the product, cost of one product. So multiply these two. So x into 2x plus 3 equal to 90. Okay. So simplify, remove the bracket. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Okay. So factorize by splitting the middle term. So after splitting the middle term, I got 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. So take out common now. So x is common, x is taken out. Inside the bracket 2x plus 15 will be there. Here 6 is common. So 6 is taken out and inside the bracket 2x plus 15 will be there. Okay. So the two factors are 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So equate it to 0 each factor. So x first, in the first factor I got x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Okay. So minus will, because 15 is in the plus, so it will go in minus, and this 2 is in multiplication, it will go for division. That's why I got this. Then x minus 6. So minus 6 will go as plus 6 here in the RHS. So as the number of article produced can only be a positive integer. Okay. So a number of products, how it can be in negative, that too in fraction. Okay, it's not possible. So only 6 is possible number of products. So number of products is 6. And one more question they asked, what is the cost of each article? It is 2x plus 3. So 2 into 6 plus 3. So 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So the cost of one article is 15 rupees. So that's all for this video. Thank you, children.